Henry! You stole my video! You stole it! Why, Henry, why? I hate you so much! I hope you delete this video if you're watching this. So delete it now! Tina, do not make Henry's video in freaking G major. Cause it's a no! Henry! I'm gonna make a these videos suck playlist. And I'm gonna add your video to the playlist. So stop with the cringe! Also cringe. Look! That's my video! He stole it! I hope K9 stops Henry right now! So stop making cringy videos. Okay? Oh my gosh! I hope fried chili cheese dogs hate you. Dear. I'll show you his 2 cringy videos. See? See, guys? That's Henry's cringy videos. And guys, do not watch his videos. Sneak to them and dislike all these videos. Well, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.